everyone, I'm Jodi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you like these videos and you find them useful. My channel is all about helping busy and ambitious women and moms get the information that they need to keep their busy lives moving forward, but still feel beautiful while doing it. So some videos are a little bit longer in nature because they're tutorials, some are shorter just to give you the quick pieces of information. To help you in your busy day, you can follow me over on Instagram and Facebook, where I show quick bits of information that might also help you look and feel your most beautiful. So today is all about mascara. For the last several months, I have been testing a variety of mascaras in the $10 price point, just to see A, how do they hold up against more expensive mascaras, and B, of all of them that are on the market, which ones are really worth your money. Now, I don't want you to feel like if you just have a $10 budget for mascaras that this is the best you can get and there's some magical world of really great mascara out there at higher price points. There are some great mascaras out there. However, these 5 that I have for you today that are under $10, I would hold up against some of the more expensive name brand, higher luxury mascaras. These are all really good mascaras, and there's one in here for sensitive eyes that I would highly recommend if you have sensitive eyes and don't really have a good mascara suggestion. As always, any product that I recommend will be linked in that description box below so that you can just link right to it if you wanted to purchase it. The first one is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This sells for $9.95 and it is 21 ounces. What I love about this one is not only is it waterproof, it has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and keratin. So it adds moisture and shine to your lashes. So if you are aging and you tend to get more on the dry side from a skin perspective, hair, nails, and lashes, then this might be a really good moisture delivering mascara for you. What I also love about this one is there's no smudging and no flaking, which to me is really important. When you start to get that mascara that leaves those lines underneath your eyes, it drives me crazy because how hard do we work on concealer and powder and making sure that under eye area looks great, only to then in a couple hours you start to have that darkness under there, and it typically is because your mascara is starting to smudge down below and transfer. So these don't transfer, and I really am a big fan of this Hydro Boost by Neutrogena. I love the Neutrogena brush because of the space within the bristles. They're spaced out far enough so you can really get in the bottom and wiggle that product all the way up to the lashes. The next one is the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. Now this one gave a ton of volume and it also is smudge proof. It gives some length as well, but the volume is really what I love about this one. Now it has a price point of $10.49. Yes, I said $10 and under, but it's on sale at some locations. So where I've linked it below, it is under $10 and it is for 29 ounces. It's also waterproof. I love it because the name says exactly what it does. It just gives you that false lash look, but it's also easy to wipe off or to get off with just a little bit of coconut oil. Provides a lot of volume, provides a lot of lengthening. You can just see in the before and afters, and it's very, very rich in color. Sort of dramatic look to your lashes. This Falsies is definitely a good buy for you. The one thing to be aware of with the Maybelline is it does have a bigger brush. So with that big of a brush, you can see you have to really work more carefully with it, and there's less room for air. So if you're not as stable handed or you have a little bit of a shake to your hands, this may not be a good bet if you're in a hurry. If you can take your time and really slow down, that might be okay, but that brush is a little bit big. The next one that I have loved is NYX at $9.95 for 33 ounces, and this is NYX on the Rise. This has volume, 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 as you can see here in the pictures with the second coat. Even one coat of this is really a nice look, but if you wanted a dramatic, soft glam, go into a nighttime look, a second or even a third coat of this NYX is definitely gonna give you the look that you're going for. It didn't get clumpy at all, which I love. When you put on a mascara and it starts to have those little balls of clump and you try to pull them off, and then before you know it, you've pulled out a lash. And as we age, each lash, the real estate that lash holds is very valuable, and every lash means something to us. We're in lash recovery mode here, but try to pull off the clumps. This does not leave clumps, therefore no need to pull the whole lash out. Okay, we've talked about that lash pulling enough. The next one, this is for my friends with sensitive eyes. This is the Physicians Formula. It's organic and it's $9.99 for 26 ounces. It also includes an olive extract, which I love. So it's really good for sensitive skin. All the ingredients are organic. You can see with this Physicians formula, it has a really nice thickening look to the lash with the second coat, very dramatic, but still soft, not clumpy, which I really enjoyed about wearing this one, and it didn't transfer at all on my lashes. It provides definition and volume, and what I even love even more about it, just to put it on the tipping scales of from a like to a love category, is it has a recyclable, eco-friendly brush. So that's important to me, and I thought it might be important to a lot of my viewers. This is a great mascara, sensitive eyes, good for the environment, and all natural ingredients. Physicians formula, just a good brand all the way around. The last one is the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. It's $8.99 for 26 ounces. The Voluminous mascara from L'Oreal, it's definitely volumizing. It gives really good length to the lashes, as you can see. That's the one I have on today. It doesn't transfer and it doesn't clump. And what I love about this one is the brush on this is very small, easy to maneuver, easy to work with, which is what I love about it. I typically do run a one coat of a waterproof mascara over any mascara that I wear, unless it's already waterproof. In this case, what I have on today is this Voluminous 2 coats, and then I have one coat of this Neutrogena waterproof, because waterproof mascara does tend to be drying or have a drying effect to it. I feel like I get the benefit of the waterproof sort of coating my lashes so that they don't transfer of whatever mascara I wear. It sort of seals in that mascara with a waterproof one, but I don't get the drying effect that waterproof mascara can have with this Neutrogena one. So there you go, you guys. That is my top 5 suggestions. If you are looking for a really good mascara to go the distance, give you that dramatic look, the volume, and the lengthening without drying or transferring or smudging, then any one of these 5 mascaras would be a really good pick for you. Again, I'll leave them all in the description box below so you can pick up any of them if you're interested, and I hope they work for you as well as that they've worked for me. And be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I post other helpful quick tips for you busy and ambitious women and moms out there trying to make it all happen. Thanks so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, I'll link that down below as well, so you can hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified of new videos that come out twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays. And sometimes there's a new video on a Wednesday if there's something cool happening that I think you guys might want to know about. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.